chismis na to, natawa ako. Kasi daw si...
Hello, this is Tebs. How are you doing today? Welcome back to this channel. Today's video is I'm going to repair a LED Sharp TV. The power is turning on, also the backlight is good, but no video on the screen. I will show you how I repair it. I hope you will gonna like it. And don't forget to like and subscribe, then ring the notification bell. Thank you.
Driving here, it's easy.
Measuring the DC to DC voltages. AVDD is 15.59 volts, DC input supply is 11.75 volts, VCC is 3.29. VGH is 31.8 volts. And the VGL is negative 5.96 volts. All voltages are normal. Seems there are no problems with the voltages. Now I will measure the voltages on this side COF. This COF has no test points. But I can test these lines. One of them is the VGH, VGL. I will scrub the coating carefully to come out the copper. I measured the voltages of these lines. This line is negative 5.9 volts. And this is also about negative 4 volts. This should be 30 volts. This line is the VGH. And this is the VGL. I'm using the 3 volts battery of my multi-tester to supply the VGH. Look at this. VGH works with 3 volts only. Why the VGH is not present in the side COF? The line of the VGH is very small. It bonds the COF on the glass. Maybe the bonding is disconnected because the voltage of the VGH is so high in these tiny lines. I will solder a thin wire on this line, the VGH.
A few moments later.
I will now connect directly to the VGH. Looks working now.
A few moments later.
The TV is now working amazingly. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. You can help this channel by your like and subscribing to it. And don't forget to ring the bell so you can be notified every time I release a new video. Once again, this is Tevs. See you again next time. Bye for now.